future of luxury travel has arrived, and it comes in the form of the breathtaking 2026 BMW Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving masterpiece. A home on wheels that blends German engineering with world-class luxury. Imagine stepping into a world where every detail is designed to impress, where every curve and every surface reflects perfection. That is exactly what the 2026 BMW Motorhome delivers. Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel, the place where we bring you the most exclusive, most innovative, and most luxurious homes on wheels from around the globe. Today, you're about to witness something extraordinary, something that redefines what it means to travel in style. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 BMW Motorhome commands attention. Its sleek aerodynamic body is sculpted with precision, finished in a glossy black and dark gray palette that shines under any light. The surface reflects like liquid glass, giving it a futuristic presence that feels more like a concept car than a motorhome. The BMW logo sits proudly at the rear and front, a symbol of heritage and innovation. The tinted panoramic windshield stretches across the front, offering a commanding view of the road ahead. Multiple wheels with chrome accents add to its powerful stance, while subtle LED strips highlight the edges, making it glow like a jewel in the showroom. Every angle, every reflection, every line is designed to make a statement. This is not just transportation, this is luxury in motion. Step inside, and the magic continues. The interior is a sanctuary of comfort, technology, and elegance. The TV lounge welcomes you first with premium leather seating arranged for both relaxation and entertainment. A large flat-screen display sits at the center, surrounded by ambient blue LED lighting that creates a cinematic atmosphere. The panoramic side windows allow natural light to flood in, yet maintain privacy with their tinted finish. This lounge is not just a place to sit. It's a place to experience, to relax, and to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Move further in, and you'll find the bedroom, a space that is intimate yet indulgent. The bed is normal in size but wrapped in premium leather framing, with high thread count bedding that whispers comfort. The BMW logo is elegantly placed on the headboard, reminding you that this is no ordinary motorhome. The lighting is soft and ambient, creating a calm environment perfect for rest after a long day on the road. Every surface, from brushed aluminum to carbon fiber accents, reflects BMW's signature design language. The mini kitchen is a marvel of compact luxury. A sleek countertop with a modern wash basin, open shelves holding neatly arranged premium dishware, and a built-in fridge with brushed aluminum finish make it both practical and stylish. A small dining table sits nearby, already set with gourmet plates of food ready for a meal on the go. The attention to detail is unmistakable, from the soft close cabinets to the ambient lighting that makes even a simple dinner feel like fine dining. This is not just a kitchen, it's a culinary experience on wheels. The bathroom is pure indulgence, a marble countertop with an integrated sink, a glass-enclosed rainfall shower, and high-end fixtures in matte black create a spa-like atmosphere. The BMW logo on the mirror is a subtle reminder that you are surrounded by excellence. Compact yet luxurious, this bathroom proves that even in a motorhome, comfort and elegance are never compromised. From the upper level, a staircase with carbon fiber railings and LED step lighting leads you down to a cozy lounge area. Here, premium leather seating invites you to relax while panoramic windows frame the world outside like a moving painting. It's a space designed for conversation, for reflection, and for enjoying the journey in absolute comfort. And then there's the driver's cockpit, a command center worthy of a luxury yacht. The futuristic steering wheel, gear controls, and multiple LED displays put every function at your fingertips. One central screen proudly displays the BMW logo, while the wraparound windshield offers a breathtaking view of the road ahead. Whether you're cruising along the Pacific Coast Highway or winding through the Alps, the experience is nothing short of cinematic. This is where technology meets passion, where driving becomes an art form. Step back outside and the exterior once again takes your breath away. The way the light plays across its glossy surfaces, the way it seems ready to glide into the future. It's a reminder that this is more than a motorhome. It's a statement of success, of ambition, of living life without compromise. Of course, luxury like this comes at a price. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is estimated to start around $1.8 to $2 million, depending on customization. Under the hood, it's powered by a high-performance diesel-electric hybrid engine, delivering over 600 horsepower, ensuring that this motorhome doesn't just look powerful, it truly is. With advanced suspension and cutting-edge driving technology, it offers a ride that is smooth, stable, and exhilarating all at once. BMW as a company has always stood at the pinnacle of innovation. For over a century, it has been synonymous with performance, precision, and luxury. From iconic cars to groundbreaking technology, BMW has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. And now, with the 2026 BMW Motorhome, they've taken that same spirit of innovation and applied it to the world of luxury travel. It's no wonder that celebrities are already showing interest. Rumor has it that Hollywood star Leonardo DiCaprio, known for his love of both luxury and sustainability, has expressed interest in owning one of these futuristic masterpieces. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of the 2026 BMW Motorhome. We hope you enjoyed every detail, from the sleek exterior to the luxurious interior, from the bedroom and kitchen to the cockpit and lounge. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to tell us in the comments how you felt about this motorhome and which one you'd like us to feature next. Your feedback helps us bring you the most exciting and luxurious tours from around the world. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.